Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again, Yeah, big up and respect to each and every one, my people. Alright, so two videos I have to present to you about. I mainly want to talk to you about one video first. You see me, this video is not really a long video, but this video shows an eyeball. I don't know if this video shows someone's eyeball of viewers and subscribers, but the video shows an eyeball. Allegedly, it is said to be someone's eyeball. You see me? But in my point of view, the eyeball I'm seeing in the video don't really act or don't really move as how a normal human being's eyeball would move in the viewers and subscribers. You see me? Yeah, that's in my point of view. But for you to get a better understanding, I present the video to you first and you can tell me what to think. You see me? And some allegations are going on social media about this video, alright? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, just in case if you might find this video to be shocking, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. So viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Look at this video. Look them people, look carefully, look. Can't play the audio, but look. You saw me I talk about my people. You see the thin layer thing will go over the eyeball or the black part. I don't even know which one. I don't even sure if I the two of them either show in the video, because the video seems to be an edited video, like a two pieces of video put together. But the thing about it is, my people, see the little thin layer thing will go over the eye and come back. When it go over the eye too, it's like the black part of the eye turn into that little sharp marking like a reptile's eye. Like a snake eye and all them things. You know so me say? Eh? Me I wonder if that video is of a real video or if I some form of computer made video. All them things I start to wonder, my people. You see me I say to you? Because you have a lot of fraud video make out there still, but this video really and truly I'm thinking somebody send me this video and me really and truly want to hear what you, my viewers and subscribers, think about this video. You see me? This video have me wondering if some form of reptile human being exists, and that me start to wonder. You see me I say, something when me see on TV must about humanoid or something like that. You see me? I'm not too follow up some of them things there, some of the fictional things them not too really follow them up because it's just make believe some of the times. You see me I say, but on a real still, that video they have me thinking. So people, tell me what you think. Tell me if you think that video is of somebody's real eyeball, or if you think the video is a computer made video or what. Tell me what you think about that video, them people, really and truly, because that video they have me thinking. You see me I say? Anyways, now the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show how a man escaped from two female police officers. Now I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video had been recorded. You see it? However, if you look at the video carefully, you might get an understanding as to where in the world the video be recorded. You see me? Yeah, because I look at the video and saw that the police vehicle have the word Montreal written on it. You understand? So maybe that can help. You see? Yeah, and some of the comments that have been made about this video on social media gave me the understanding that at least two persons are saying that the man escaped because those female police officers don't know what they are doing, and because they are female police officers. Let me say this: men and women are strong the same in my point of view. You see me I say? Yeah, me not see no difference. Not because of no gender, me not see no difference. You see me I say? But however, people make mistakes, and maybe a mistake make the man get away. You see me? But anyways, take a look at the video and tell me what you think. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe. And when you look on a part of the video good, just look good at it. Look carefully, look. So I go on. See? Watch it. Watch it.
Oh, what the fuck is that? Ui.
Gone, no.
Gano. Oh, monsieur est gone.
You see?
Oh, lui est fort.
Gone.
Oh. Get him back. Get him in
Oh, they're on left handcuff.
Get him in that.
Police then gone left handcuff.
Oh.
Hey, my people. I wonder if you hear what me hear in the video a while ago. You hear somebody say something like, can't do me nothing. Can't do me nothing. Or something sounds similar like that. You see me? Sound like a Jamaican accent in a way. Probably Caribbean, who knows? You see me? I say. You know, Jamaican accent their voice still, you see me? Yeah, big up my Jamaicans them, you see me? I say my people, yeah. Alright, so my people, and I read, what do you think about that video? Do you think it's a mistake make the man get away? Or maybe you think him smart? You know what I mean? What do you think really happened to some people? Why you think the man somehow escaped those female police officers? Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Alright, so yeah, so I'm going to big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up. You see?